Hello and welcome everyone to the walk around video here at your next car of the 2017 67 Reg F33 335D M Sport. As you can see, the vehicle is presented in Estrel Blue. It also features a wide array of BMW options and of course the stunning YNC Mperformance body styling kit. There at the front of the car, you'll notice it is a facelift model, so that you do get the slightly tweaked LED headlamps from BMW. The alloy wheels are the upgraded 19-inch 442M BMW alloys, all in the original Bi-Orbit grey. Sitting very nice and neatly behind those, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes, and included on this car is the full M Sport Plus package. It's an exceptionally clean and tidy 335D. Down the side, you'll also see the sun protection glazing and of course gloss black sidebars, satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. Inside the car, we've got a wonderful black Dakota leather with the oyster highlights and stitching. Front seats are also heated with the electric lumbar option as well. There is also of course the Harman Kardon surround sound, and all of the interior is combined very nicely with the darkened M Sport headlining. And of course the gearbox and drive chain package is all combined nicely with an 8-speed and all neatly packaged with the xDrive 4-wheel drive system. Rear passengers will find a 3-seat Isofix rear bench, central folding armrest, and as you can see there, once again it's all been kept in really nice condition for you there. Round towards the back of the car now, again showing you off the 19-inch alloys that are virtually like brand new. They're in superb condition. They do also have the Bridgestone Potenza run flat tyres, gloss black rear boot spoiler and a satin rear diffuser on this car. Front and rear parking sensors. The F33s all come with a really nice sized boot, as you can see there, and it is all lovely and clean and tidy in there as well. Onto the back of the other side of the car now, and as you can see again, the Estrel Blue does work extremely well with those additions we've added, as well as the lovely styling of the F33 3 Series. Inside we've got a couple of things to show you, including the superb professional wide navigation and media. We'll also start the car up as well, beginning with the sat nav system, which is a really easy and nice one to use. Anybody could jump in and quickly get to grips with it. It also includes real-time traffic updates as well, Bluetooth telephone and audio, and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. Music collection there, AUX, CD and USB inputs, and as of course I've already mentioned, there is Bluetooth audio. In terms of overall mileage, the car's covered just over 50,000 miles. You do also get cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls as well. And of course, as you can see there, the pedals for that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. So with all of our walk around videos from us all here at Your Next Car, we do hope you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful, and thank you very much for watching it. If you do want some more information on the car, if you follow the links I'll leave for you in the description, from there take yourself over to our website, where you can view not only some more information about the car but a wide array of other pictures of the vehicle, and of course all about the prices and funding options that are available. Thank you all so much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see you soon. Thank you, bye bye.